Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. As we all know, hijab is in the news these days. Muslims use the word hijab as equivalent to burqa. They regard hijab and veil as synonymous. But as I have found in my study, the word hijab is not used in the Quran in this sense. Hijab means curtain, barrier, wall. The word hijab occurs in the Quran 7 times, but nowhere it is used in the sense of veil. 2 words have been used in the Quran regarding women's veil, that is Jilbab chapter 33 and Khimar chapter 24. Both have a similar meaning, that is chadar or dupatta, that covers the body. So instead of burqa and hijab, the Quranic terms for Pardah are Khimar and Jilbab. According to the Hanafi, Maliki and Shafi school of fiqh, 3 parts of a woman are exempted from satr, that is body covering. The well-known 20th century Arab scholar Sheikh Muhammad Nasiruddin Albani endorses the position mentioned in his book Hijab al-Mara al-Muslimah, the veil of a Muslim woman. In this book, he holds that the exempted part are wajh and kaffan, that is face and hands. He also holds that as per the Sharia, women are required to cover their bodies with clothing that is not tight-fitting and not meant to attract others. Chapter 24, verse 31. The Sharia prescribes the woman to cover her body with decent clothing. She can go out to perform her duties in the Islamic dress to the outside world. What is very important in Islamic Sharia is that Muslim women must adopt Islamic character, which is called in the Quran libasut taqwa, raiment of righteousness, chapter 7, verse 26. Women have been given full freedom in Islam. The Quran says, "You are members one of another," chapter 3, verse 195. According to a hadith, men and women are 2 equal halves of a single unit. It is the best expression of gender equality. It means that men and women complement each other, although created as a different gender. Man is a complementary part of a woman, and woman is a complementary part of a man. In the organization of daily living, both are equal participants and partners. Thank you.